countries that famous not only because of the natures and the cultures, but also known as their culinary. You know, the types of food here in Indonesia are so many. Wow. And one of Indonesia's culinary that's often seen and easy to get is so basically, Jajan Pasar, or literally translated as a market snacks, is a traditional Indonesian cake. It's called Jajan Pasar because it's initially sold more in a traditional market. But yeah, nowadays Jajan Pasars also can be found almost anywhere, in the modern shop, bakery, but the price, of course, higher than in a traditional market. Talking about the taste of this Jajan Pasar, you can choose according to your personal taste. Some are spicy, salty, sweet, and savory, but all really delicious. There are many types, colors, and shapes of the Jajan Pasar. They're quite unique because they carry the identity of each region in Indonesia. So let's go back to the scenes of happiness that I want to show you guys. So this morning I got this. These 8 are the most common Jajan Pasar which you will often find when you are here in Indonesia. Don't translate this kue lumpur into English because it means mud cake. Yeah, mud. But it doesn't mean this cake made from mud. Kue lumpur is a light snacks that made from coconut milk, eggs, flour, and also potatoes. This cake is dominated by yellow and brown with the raisin in the middle. The texture is really soft and delicate, and also sweet, chewy, yummy. Lepet is a type of a sticky rice mixed with peanuts, then cooked with coconut milk, and then packed inside the janur or coconut leaves palm leaf. The most interesting thing while you eating this lepet is how to open it. We open like this. See, this is interesting, like this. Okay, this is sticky rice. I will try it now. So, okay. The peanut inside. It's super good. It's a bit salty, savory. Yeah, it's good. I will finish it. Tahu isi is very popular in Indonesia. Basically, tahu isi it's made from fried tofu filled with vegetables like carrots and cabbage, and then wrapped into a flour dough, and then you fried it. That's the tahu isi. Bismillah. So this is the inside of the tahu isi. You can change the filling of the tahu isi. It's filled with noodles and carrots. crunchy. I don't know if you can hear it. And also, I don't know how to explain, but it's my favorite. It will taste good with chili, Biden chili. This cute cupcakes, it's called Putri Ayu, or mini steamed sponge cake. Putri Ayu is made from pandan sponge cake with grated coconut topping, and then you place it into a special mold used for steaming. Oh, it looks beautiful. Sponge cake. Very soft and delicate. A bit sticky in the tip. Sweet. Yummy. Lemper is Indonesian savory snacks that come from Java. Lemper made from sticky rice filled with seasoned shredded chicken, fish, or abon, or meat. So basically, the meat filling is... Wait, I will open it. The meat filling is rolled inside the sticky rice, and then you wrap it with a banana leaf. So yeah, I will try it. See, this is the shredded seasoned chicken. So the sticky rice itself has no taste, but then mixed with seasoned shredded chicken, it's a good combination. Dadar gulung is one of the popular snacks that often described as an Indonesia coconut pancake. In Indonesia, dadar means omelette or pancake, while gulung means to roll. The pancake usually has a green color which comes from daun suji or pandan leaves, and it's filled with grated coconut mixed with liquid of palm sugar or brown sugar. I got the mini dadar gulung. Almost delicious. The white is the grated coconut. It tastes sweet, chewy, soft. Kue lapis is a traditional snack of colorful layer soft rice flour pudding. In Indonesia, lapis means layers. This cake is made from the mixtures of rice flour, sagu or tapioca, sugar, salt, and coconut milk. This is so pretty, kue lapis. Bismillah. The taste is sweet and also sticky. And when I was a kid, I was doing like this when I want to eat this kue lapis. So I open one by one. Risoles is one of the Indonesian snacks that are very popular, and it's originally named roing soles. Big risoles. Bismillah. I see carrot inside. I'm very full and happy today. Those 8 jajan pasar are only a few from so many food in Indonesia. If you come to Indonesia, don't hesitate to try jajan pasar or other Indonesian food to get the experience and also the excitement. So, which one of those jajan pasar would you like to try?